The future is now, and it's unfolding in the most unexpected places. A $100 million factory revolution that is redefining the manufacturing landscape. Imagine a factory worth $100 million, filled with cutting-edge technology and advanced machinery. This factory produces complex products with precision and efficiency. But it doesn't employ hundreds of workers, as you might expect. It doesn't even employ dozens. Instead, it operates with a minimal human presence. This factory operates with a team of just 5 skilled engineers. How is this possible? The answer lies in artificial intelligence and automation. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of modern manufacturing. This is the reality of advanced manufacturing today, where technology takes the lead. AI and automation are changing how things are made, bringing unprecedented efficiency and precision. This $100 million factory is a real example of what the future holds. It shows the potential of AI in manufacturing, highlighting the incredible possibilities. The factory is highly automated, with robots and smart systems doing most of the work. Robots and smart systems do most of the work, ensuring consistency and quality. The 5 engineers oversee the process. They troubleshoot issues, monitor systems, and ensure smooth operation. This factory is a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, where human ingenuity and advanced technology come together to create something truly remarkable. Inside the machine-driven world of modern manufacturing, we see a revolution unfolding. AI and automation are transforming the way we work. How does this futuristic factory operate so seamlessly and efficiently? Artificial intelligence is the key to this transformation. AI systems analyze vast amounts of data in real time. They identify patterns, predict outcomes, and learn from experience. This continuous learning allows them to optimize the production process. Robots on the factory floor receive precise instructions from AI systems. They perform tasks with incredible precision and speed, eliminating human error. This significantly speeds up the production process. The factory operates around the clock, 24/7. It requires minimal human intervention, ensuring consistent output. This results in higher output, lower costs, and greater efficiency. The factory of the future is truly a marvel of technological efficiency and innovation. The power of AI efficiency, precision, and savings. The benefits of AI in manufacturing are undeniable. Efficiency is dramatically increased. Machines work tirelessly without breaks,